what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title of this video, I will be reviewing Boxycharm's January box. Like honestly, I feel like I literally just did a review for December's box. So yeah, if you guys are interested in what I received this month, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. And yeah, let's get to the review. So apparently this month's theme is boxy and chill. So that's what the card looks like. I like it. I think it's pretty cute. I do feel like it somewhat fits the theme, like the items that I got, and then it kind of doesn't. So I'm kind of like, but it is what it is. So once again, I'm just going to be reviewing everything basically in order, give you guys the retail prices and all that good stuff. Alright guys, so the first item that I received from January's box is the Ryojo. Listen, y'all know I butcher names, alright? It's nothing new. It's nothing new whatsoever. But anyway, so it's a Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. So technically this is just a hair product that you can use. Now granted, I'm not planning on using this anytime soon, to be honest, just because I just washed my hair a little while ago and I'm not really gonna wash my natural hair for like another week. So when I do wash it, I'll be able to give you guys like a more in-depth review on this product here. But basically all it is that it's moisturizing, it gives your hair strength, it's a leave-in conditioner. It says that it does have nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, I cannot read today, algae extract, and biotin help to promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. So yeah, this bottle right here is actually 2 ounces and it retails for $16. So there's that. Alright guys, so the next item that I have to show you guys is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Sizzle eyeshadow palettes. And then this palette, believe it or not, actually retails for $36. Now that was a little bit of a shock to me, just because I feel like for $36 I could have gotten more colors, or at least a little bit better quality in a way. But again, it's cool. I mean, hey, I didn't spend $36 for this, but for anyone that wanted to know the retail price and wanted to go out and buy it yourself, that's how much this little gadget here is. Alright guys, so this is what the front of the palette looks like. So very like cute, pink, glittery, all that good stuff. And then as soon as you open it, it comes with a cute mirror, so I like that. That makes it a lot easier to apply your eyeshadow. Like you can easily go like this so you can clearly see your face, so I do like that. Now I do know that there were, I believe, 3 different variations of this eyeshadow palette that you could have gotten. In my box in particular, I just happened to get this one. So basically, it basically has more purple and nude type colors. So I do like that because again, I am trying to extend my eyeshadow looks and my ranges and all that good stuff. So I do like this palette. The actual eyeshadow look that I am wearing right now is using only this palette. All in all, I would probably rate it like a 7 out of 10. Like it's not like extremely like, oh my gosh, this palette is super amazing. Alright guys, so the next item that I got from this month's box is the Wander Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. And this is what the bad boy looks like here. Upside down. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. Honestly, at first glance, I thought this was like a lipstick or like a lip gloss or something like that. So as soon as I undid the tube, it surprised me when I saw this. Because again, when I first opened the box, I'm like a little kid. Like I'm super excited. I like looking at everything, kind of thinking in my head like, all right, what can I do with it? So I didn't even realize what it said in the front. Like it clearly says in the front that it's a volume and curl mascara. But anyway, so this is what the applicator looks like. So I do like it because it is curved, so it helps fit your eye shape better. I definitely feel like some of you guys know I have non-existent eyelashes, which is why like if I ever, even if I do the bare minimum to my face makeup wise, I have to have false lashes. It definitely does help elongate your natural lashes. So I will definitely be using this mascara, and depending on, let me see how much this is. $24. This retails for $24. Now honestly, depending on how often I use this, I may or may not actually spend my coins on getting this again, because honestly I was so shocked and surprised at how good my natural lashes look just by one coat of this. So I was pleasantly surprised. So this is definitely one of my favorite items that I did get from this particular box. So the next item that I got from Janaury's box is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. And you actually get 2 packs. So in this box, even though they say 5 items, you technically get 6 because they give you 2 of these, which I think are really nice. So basically, by reading the back, it's basically going to cause you to have luminous dewy skin, which I feel like I definitely want to aim for, because I feel like the beginning of my makeup journey, I felt as though that my skin was like normal to oily. But as of late, I don't know if it's because it's the winter now and it's because it's colder out, but I feel like my skin is more on like the dry side. So I'm definitely excited to try this mask. I will insert a clip later on tonight of me actually wearing it and seeing how I feel and all that good stuff. Hey guys, so it is currently 9:30-ish, something like that. But anyways, so I just got done taking off all my makeup and I'm basically ready for bed. So I got my nice robe on for you guys and all that good stuff. So I will be trying out the mask just so you guys can kind of see. Ooh, child. That John just squirted out. Like, did y'all see that? I hope the camera caught that, because that was crazy. That actually caught me off guard. But yeah, so let me just take this bad boy out. All right. Okay, this is saturated. I like this. Ooh. It's dripping too. Alright, now, so they're not going skimpy on the product, but just a warning for you guys that do happen to get this, it is very messy. But as you can see, like I said, it's like a watered down lotion. So this really is, I feel like this is more towards dry skin at this point. I didn't even put it on yet, but look, and it's still dripping. Alright, so this is what the sheet looks like. The standard sheet that never fits my face correctly, but oh well. Alright, so on the back of this, it does say to leave it on for 15 minutes, so that is what I'm going to do. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so it's actually been a little over 15 minutes, more like 20-25. But anyway, so this is what my face looks like. It feels really good. I do feel like my face feels a lot more moisturized. I don't see like a giant difference, but I definitely do feel it. It's more like a feel than a look type of thing. But most likely, like if I look at this clip compared to my other clip before I put it on, I'm pretty sure I'll see a difference. But so far, this is what my skin looks like. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this mask. I'm actually looking into possibly getting more because oh my gosh, my skin just feels so just nourished. And the fact that it was cold too definitely did help. I did feel as though that it definitely did help clear out some of my pores just a little bit. Again, this is the first time I'm putting it on. Oh my gosh, yes. Especially if you have dry skin, I would 1000% recommend this. Like I had like 2 awkward dry patches like right here, and I feel like they basically went away. So that is very, very, very impressive. So yeah, this is probably like, you know what, this is maybe like my first or second favorite item from this box. Now looking at the paper that I have, it does say 2-pack in parentheses. So I'm guessing that both of these together are going to be $24 and not $24 each. So that's pretty good. Alright guys, so last but not least, I have the Bites Amuse Bouche. I really hope I pronounced that right. If I didn't, oh well. But anyways, it says this is a high impact lipstick in multi-dimensional shades. Was handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear. So again, I'm really not like a lipstick, lip gloss type of girl. I literally just smack on some Carmex on my lips and I'm fine. But I'm actually just gonna try this out on camera with you guys. So this is what the container looks like. Simple, cute, nothing too crazy. And then you just pop it off. Oh, this is actually purple. I don't know why I thought it was brown. I don't know. Anyway, so it's actually purple. When it comes to purple lips, I feel like a lot of people can't pull it off. Alright, so let me see what this looks like. 1 second. I must say the consistency and the texture of the lipstick is very nice. It legit just reminds me of kind of like Carmex or like a regular lip balm. So it's not really hard and chalky at all, because typically lipsticks make my lips feel that way, and that's why I don't like wearing them. I'm not crazy about the color to be completely honest, but again, I do like the feel and the finish of the lipstick a lot. So I feel like maybe once I become more comfortable with experimenting with different makeup looks, I may grow to love it. But again, I'm the type of girl, I don't typically like painted lips all like that. So, but for a lipstick, for me to say that a lipstick's good, that's actually meaning a lot, considering the fact that I don't really like lipsticks all like that. But I feel like maybe if it was in like a different color, I would actually like it. And then then on top of that, I'm not wearing a lip liner at all. I literally just smacked it on. So I feel like if I were to apply a lip liner with it, it would look a lot better. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums up the video on what I got in January's Boxycharm box. So definitely stay tuned next month for February's box. I'm actually very excited because I'm pretty sure they're gonna have like a lot of like sexy like reds and like Valentine's Day themes when it comes to next month's box. So hopefully I'm right. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my review. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. And yeah, see you in the next one.